Hey guys, it's Max from Artech here, and today I'm going to give you guys a brief overview about how to get set up for our 3D modeling camp this summer. This year, we're using Sculptris, so you will have to install that before you can properly participate in this workshop. You can find a link to the Sculptris website in the requirements section for this workshop, in fact. Once you click on the website link, you should be brought to a page that looks something like this. And then click the free download button that should be either in the middle of the screen or at the top bar of the screen, and select the operating system that you're using to download Sculptris. Once you do that, you'll be prompted for a name and an email, and once that has been completed, your computer will automatically download the installer for Sculptris. Once the installer has been downloaded, simply open the installer and complete the process of installation, which will only take a couple of minutes. Once you finish the installation, the full Sculptris application should immediately open, and congratulations! You're all set to go for Artech's 3D modeling camp. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and hopefully we'll be seeing you soon. I've been Max from Artech, and thanks for watching.